Good morning, Ospreys. Today is Thursday, May 6, 2021.
Today's weather will be sunny and warm.
Today's lunch choice is grilled chicken strips. Now to Dr. Shares for morning meeting.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday and happy Teacher Appreciation Week. Today is Thoughtful Thursday, and we get to hear from Mr. Haley. He's going to be talking to us about Teacher Appreciation Week. So listen carefully to Mr. Haley and our segment on Thoughtful Thursday.
Good morning and welcome back to another, Thoughtful Thursday. I think we should have thoughtful every days, but for right now, we're on Thoughtful Thursdays. This week is Teacher Appreciation Week, so I thought, with that in mind, I might share a few interesting little tidbits of information about teachers. Teachers, you ask? Are there a lot of them? Well, according to statistics, there are about 3.2 million full-time equivalent teachers out there working hard every day, doing their very best to help provide awesome education to an awesome group of children. In fact, the 3.2 million teachers, how many students are they working to educate? Try around 51 million. Woo! Yep, that's 51 million students that they're out there to teach each and every day. Another interesting little thing you might not know about our teachers is that 77% of all teachers, that's over 3/4, are women, and 54% of principals are women. So we have a lot of women out there trying to help educate our wonderful students. What else can we talk about? Well, there's a lot of people that go around thinking that teachers get all this time off and they don't spend much time doing this because they're off early in the afternoon and they have all these long summer breaks. Well, they probably work a little bit more than you realize, and not only in the classroom. We all envision those great summer vacations, but according to the statistics, teachers work on an average of 50 hours a week. That's a lot more than just when they're here at school. So when are they doing that? I guess they're working at home when nobody's looking. And yes, they actually are working at home when nobody's looking. And that summer vacation that people think they get all that time off in the summer, well, turns out 30% of teachers have not only one job, but they have two. So in 30% of the cases, they're working also a second job. So are they working hard? You betcha they're working hard. Never underestimate the amount of hours that a teacher puts in. Actually, I've come to realize that I think they pretty well 24/7, which means all day, every day, thinking about their students in ways that they can reach them, help them, and bring them education the best that they possibly can. When they're not teaching, 60% of the teachers are out there getting, yes, more education. 60% of the teachers have what are called postgraduate degrees. What does that mean? It means they went on, they got a degree, they went back to school, and they're working on getting another degree and or have gotten another degree. And so they're continually trying to improve their education and moving forward. Here's something else to think about. They spend their own money in the classroom. When teachers don't have enough supplies or they want to provide additional items for their students, 94%, that means almost all of them, dig into their own pocket, pull out a little bit of change, cha-ching, ching, and they spend some money on their classroom for their students. In fact, on average, they spend about $500 a year out of their own pocket trying to come up with nice things for you, the student, in your classroom. And that's not just a little bit of money, because on average, teachers are only paid $55,000 a year. That's an average of what they are throughout the United States. More than 65% of teachers said that they had also helped get food or covered field trips or helped students in other ways, and 33% have purchased coats, clothing, and other items for their students. So teachers do a lot more than just, ELA and math and social studies and library. They work at a lot of other things as well. 88% of the people that were interviewed, come to find out, they feel like a teacher was very, very significant and they can remember one in their classroom in their time. For me, 5th grade, Mrs. Glendenning, everybody said, she's tough, she's hard, she's going to be a tough teacher to have. Well, me and Miss Glendenning were like this. I remember her to this day. She made a huge impact on me. Great teacher, loved being a student in her class. So next time when you see your teacher, it doesn't have to just be Teacher Appreciation Week. Just remember, a thank you goes a really, really long ways, and they are doing an incredible job for us, and especially here at Johnson Primary. So with a Thoughtful Thursday, something to think about, what wonderful teachers we have and what great students we have. Thanks, and have a great day.
And now for our mission statement. But before we do that, I have Emmeline, who is in Miss Adams' class. And Emmeline received a positive office referral. And I'm going to read what it says. It says, Emmeline is very mindful in her schoolwork. She not only completes her work thoroughly and in a timely manner, but also looks for others who need help when she's finished. She is an amazing helper. And your teacher says that you work hard, you have a positive attitude, you're honest, you show teamwork and self-control. And I wrote on there, thank you, Emmeline, for being a role model for others and spreading kindness in your classroom. Thank you so much, Emmeline. So this is for you to take home for your mom and dad to see. And thank you for being a role model for everyone at JPS. So do you mind saying the mission statement with me? Okay, Emmeline's going to say it with me.
JPS Kids Soar Higher, super problem solvers, outstanding writers, accomplished readers, ready for success.
And now for our success equation, which Miss Adams said that Emmeline does. Let's say it, Emmeline. Ready? Hard work plus resiliency plus teamwork equals success. Thank you. Good job, Emmeline.
Have a great day.